We are pleased to show you the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.